Hello, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, we're talking about a very important topic: English for work. Maybe you're preparing for a job interview, or you're in meetings with international colleagues. You might be good at grammar, but when it's time to speak, you feel lost. Why? Because business English isn't just about vocabulary. It's about using the right phrases to sound professional, confident, and polite. Today, I'm going to teach you 5 essential English phrases that you must know for the workplace. These phrases will help you sound natural, connect with your colleagues, and make a great impression. We'll go beyond just the meaning and show you exactly how to use them correctly in different situations. Part 1. Why business English is different. English you use with your friends is often very different from the English you use at work. In a professional setting, we tend to be more formal and strategic with our words. We don't just say "I agree." We say, "I completely agree with that point." We don't just say "I need help." We say, "Could you please give me a hand with this?" These small changes make a huge difference in how you are perceived. Using the right phrases shows that you understand the culture of the workplace, and it helps you communicate your ideas more effectively. Phrase number 1. Let's touch base. Meaning, this is a very common phrase that means let's connect soon, or let's talk briefly about a topic. Why it's useful? It's a polite and flexible way to schedule a quick conversation without needing to set a formal meeting. It suggests a brief check-in. How to use it? At the end of a meeting. Thanks, everyone. Let's touch base next week to see how the project is moving forward. In an email. Hi Mark, I have a quick question about the report. Can we touch base later today? In a conversation. I'll finish this report by Friday. After you've had a chance to read it. Let's touch base. Don't say, "Let's touch base together." The phrase already includes the idea of doing it together. Phrase number 2. To get the ball rolling. Meaning, this phrase means to start something, especially a process or a project. Why it's useful? It's a dynamic and motivating phrase that signals action and initiative. It shows that you are ready to begin work. How to use it? At the beginning of a project. Now that we have everyone on board, let's get the ball rolling and assign tasks. When asking a colleague to start something. Can you send the first draft of the proposal? That will get the ball rolling. Don't say, "Let's get the ball rolling quickly." The phrase itself implies a desire for action. Phrase number 3. I'm on it. Meaning, this is a short, confident phrase that means I am currently working on that, or I will start working on that immediately. Why it's useful? It's a very clear and reassuring phrase to use when someone gives you a task. It shows that you have heard them and are taking responsibility. How to use it? Your manager gives you a new task. Section manager, could you please review these documents by the end of the day? Section U, I'm on it. Your colleague asks about a project. Section colleague, did you send the email to the client? Section U, not yet, but I'm on it right now. Don't say, "I'm on it on this project." You can just say, "I'm on it." The context is usually clear. Phrase number 4. To keep someone in the loop. Meaning, this means to keep someone informed about the progress of a project or situation. Why it's useful? It's a professional and polite way to ensure that all relevant parties are updated. It shows that you value collaboration and clear communication. How to use it? In an email. I'll be starting on the new marketing plan. I'll be sure to keep you in the loop as we make progress. In a meeting. Can you please keep me in the loop about any changes to the project timeline? Don't say, "Keep me in the loop inside." The phrase already implies being inside the information. Phrase number 5. To think outside the box. Meaning, this means to think creatively or unconventionally, to not be limited by old ideas or traditional ways of doing things. Why it's useful? It's a great way to encourage new ideas and innovation in a team. It shows that you are open to creative solutions and new perspectives. How to use it? Oh, in a brainstorming session. Our old strategy isn't working. We need to think outside the box to solve this problem. Oh, when complementing a new idea. That's a great suggestion. You really thought outside the box. Don't say, think outside of the box. The of is not necessary. Part 3. How to use these phrases naturally. Learning these phrases is just the first step. The key is to practice them so they become a natural part of your vocabulary. 1. Listen actively. Pay attention to how native English speakers use these phrases in movies, TV shows, and real-life conversations. 2. Practice on your own. Try saying the phrases out loud in a sentence. Think of a work situation and use one of the phrases to describe it. 3. Start with one. Don't try to use all 5 at once. Choose one phrase, like I'm on it, and make a conscious effort to use it whenever the opportunity rises. By adding just these 5 phrases to your professional vocabulary, you will sound more confident, more fluent, and more like a true professional. Thank you so much for joining me today on Simple English Learning. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is also preparing for the workplace. Until next time, keep learning and keep building your professional English.